like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome to my channel DV Craft. Friends, always stay updated with my new videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to make pencil decor. So let's get started. First we will take craft paper, pencil. Now fold the craft paper into half. Now take paper and draw half butterfly shape. Now take scissor and cut it into a half. Now a butterfly is here. It will look like this way. Now take one more craft paper. Fold it into a half. And draw a smaller butterfly. And cut it. Now take pencil and glue and apply glue on the center of the butterfly and stick the pencil. Now stick smaller part of the butterfly on the pencil. Stick it nicely. And a pencil decor is ready. Here are few more pencil decor with different color. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.